Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic 3D Max 2027 how to copy keyframes. So for example, you can create a sphere object and I will use the move tools to move the object in a blue axis. The next, I will set the keyframe in here and then move into 10, click auto key and then move the object to be show for the keyframe here. You can move into 20, move again to object in the blue axis. And after it, I will move to 30. And if you want to copy in this keyframe in the 10 frame, you can click the key and press shift button hold. You can move into 30. Okay, we'll move again to 40. Select the keyframes, press shift button hold, and then you can move to 40. Now you can see the animation here. So that's it for basic 3D Max 2027 how to copy keyframes.